Hey, this is Rob. I just got this today, and it's a Bluetooth speaker. It's really nice. It's hefty, weatherproof, waterproof, dustproof. It's a great speaker for outside. You can see it has the lights on the top, have them on the side. The side shows the neon effect much better. They're on each side. The one up top just has, it's just a little bit too bright for my phone to pick it up, but it is really pretty. All the controls are on top, the plus minus for your sound, fast forward on your song. The EQ is for what mode you want, whether inside or outside, and outside is also the karaoke mode. The TWS is your switch to connect with other speakers that have this feature. Has a reverse. The N is that it's a Bluetooth mode. It means it's set up right now to be as soon as you turn on the speaker, it'll go right to the Bluetooth. Your on/off, your light controls, and then you're forward to the next song. So very simple, easy to use, but the most important thing is the sound, and it's been playing the whole time. It really has a nice sound, very solid and loud. That's going to go to the floor. It's a great outdoor speaker. It's well packaged. It comes with the auxiliary and power cords. And I really love the way this sounds. It's heavy, probably 4 to 5 pounds. To really make these Bluetooth speakers sound really well, there's just a lot of things that has to happen inside the box there, and usually the heftiness tells you what kind of speakers and all are in there. It's just really well made. Nice speaker. Really glad I have it, and I'm glad I'm playing music on it already.
Connected. Outdoor mode. Indoor mode. Connected. Outdoor mode.
She's taking shots down. She's living for the moment. She's a time bomb trying to take you out.
Indoor mode.
She's a time bomb out to detonate. Trying to cut the wires, but you're too late. Whiskey stain on.
Connected.